This video is going to show some HMI options for the SensoPart Visor vision sensor. We're going to cover our panel mount PC, which comes with our software pre-installed, and everything we talk about that applies to whatever PC or server you'd like to provide on your own. And we're also going to cover SensoWeb, which is our web server built into the camera that can send images and results to any HTML5 compliant browser. And you can see here we've got a Linux machine on the right, as well as a cell phone connected over wireless. Here are the three visors we're using for this demo. This is our Flagship HMI option. It's a 10-inch panel PC running Windows. It comes with Windows installed and our software installed. It boots into our software. This is SensoView. You can see the live update of the camera image. We have our detector results as configured. You can also look at statistics to show pass and fail counts, execution times. You can display all the active jobs in the camera. We only have one. You can also change jobs. If you had additional jobs loaded on this PC, you could upload them to the camera from here as well. You can zoom to see just the camera image, and you can archive images to this PC. Another option with the archiving of images is to archive all the data in a CSV. So all of this information that you have for all of your detectors gets saved in one CSV along with the image. So here's the panel PC in action in the background. Some of the features: you have a wireless antenna connection. Here's an HDMI output, 2 Ethernet ports, 4 USB. You've got RS-232 and a configurable RS-232 or 422. You've got your microphone and headphone jack. Here's another connector for power with terminals that you can screw on. It's not a friction fit if you'd like. You've got another Wi-Fi antenna connection in case that works out better for you. And this is shown with the optional bracket to panel mount this panel PC. You can configure the passed and failed images to go to separate directories. And in addition to that, if you have your own computer or server, you could archive the images to that using our free software, or using an FTP server, or using SMB, which is Microsoft Windows file sharing. New in our firmware introduced in May of 2016, we have SensoWeb, which is a web server built into the camera, to give you another HMI option. And here we see a 10-inch IP65 Linux-based computer for $900 and change. This is just to show you the many options you have. You can use any HTML5 compliant browser. This one was configured to power up into Google Chrome and point at the IP address for our visor. And this is read-only. You can't change jobs. You do have access to many of the same features of SensoView, statistics. You can view the jobs, you can't change them. You can look at a zoomed-in image, and there'll be a link to this in the comments. Here's another feature of SensoWeb. We connected a wireless router, and we have a cell phone, an Android cell phone running Google Chrome, looking at SensoWeb wirelessly. As well as on the right we have our Linux machine, and on the left we have our Flagship HMI product, the panel PC.